In this video, I will show you how to use miles on Alaska Airlines. Now, in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over first and then input right here the flight that we would want. So for example, let's put in here Seattle. And then from in there, input right here destination airport. Like for example, let's put in here Los Angeles. Then input right here departure date. I'll choose February 13 and I'll return at February 20. Input right here the number of adults and children. And the first pivotal part is click onto this use miles option. Click onto this find flights, and then once you have done that, this will load in order to find you some flights available that can be bought with miles. So having here some flight options, just choose which one you want. It can be main or it can be first class. So for this one, I'll just choose the first flight out on the main. And then after that, I'll just choose in here a returning flight and I'll buy it through miles as well. I'll choose the latest flight available. I'll just show all results. And then in here, as you can see, they have low fare alert for this one. I'll just choose this one right here with 20k miles. And after that, this will load in order to show us the next tab, wherein we will actually input right here our card. And you can see in here, it actually totals to 45k miles and 11.20. Just to go to the sign in and check out in order to sign into your account with the miles affiliated.